Hello everyone, welcome to Test Score Analysis Excel project. In this project, we have four different tasks. Our first task is to calculate the overall score. The overall score should include the candidate's test score. Add 10 points if the candidate is an employee of Austin City. Add 5 points if the candidate was born in 1970s. The calculated overall score should be displayed in the appropriate column. Let's open our Excel file. Now we create a new column with name overall score. Now we have to add our test score, that is in our E column, E2 plus. Now we start our if condition. If CT, that is our column D, is equal to Austin, then if it is true, give 10, else give false, give 0. Now we create a different if condition. If year of birth date, that is C2, is greater than equal to 1970, then if it is true, we create a new if condition. If year of C2 less than 980, then if it is true, give 5, else give 0. And for upper if it is false, give 0. By double clicking, we apply it for all rows. Now our next task is to record macros in the worksheet. Score underscore macro. Create a macro to sort the list on the candidate's worksheet by the overall score in descending order. Now open developer options, record macro. We name our macro as sort underscore score. We give shortcut key there, Control Shift S. Description, sort overall score. First we select the entire data, then we go to data, sort by overall score from largest to smallest. Now we go to developer and stop recording. Now our next task is to sort underscore name macro. Develop a macro to sort the list by last name and then by first name, both in ascending order. Okay. Go to developer options and click on record macro, sort underscore name. Shortcut key will be our Control Shift N. Sorting, sort last name and then first name in ascending order. First select the entire data, then go to data, click sort. First we sort by last name A to Z, then add level, name, A to G. Okay. Now we go to developer, stop recording. So now we have to pivot table and chart macro. Record a macro that inserts a pivot table calculating the average score for each state, then generate a chart that visually represents this data. Okay, we click on record macro, pivot, table, and chart. We give shortcut here Control Shift P. Description is pivot, table, and chart. First we select the entire data, then we insert a insert a pivot table. We insert our pivot table in the existing worksheet. So select the cell and hit OK. Now we select the cities and move it to rows and test score to the values. Now we have to calculate the average test score. So value field settings and select the average of test scores. Now we have to visualize our data. For that we will go insert, charts, and 2D bar. Here we will our average test score. Now we go to developer and stop recording. Now our next task is to assign macros to buttons or shapes. Add two buttons or shapes to the worksheet. Assign the sort underscore score macro to one button or shape and the sort underscore name macro to the other. Add a third button or shape to trigger the pivot table and chart macro. We go to developer and hit insert. Now we create a button here with name sort underscore score. Sort underscore score. Now we create a new button with name sort underscore name. Sort underscore name. Now we create a third button with name pivot table and chart. Pivot table and chart. Now our next task is to save the workbook. Ensure the workbook is saved in a format that supports macro, that is Excel SM. Now we go to save as and we will give the location and format as Excel macro enabled workbook. We name as scores. click save. Thank you for watching.